Have you ever walked into a room and felt like you don't belong? Like everyone else is smarter, more talented, or better looking, and you're just there? Let me tell you about Aiden, a 14-year-old who always felt like he wasn't good enough. In class, he saw his friends ace tests while he struggled to pass. At lunch, they talked about their hobbies, sports, music, gaming, and Aiden thought, I don't have anything special to share. He started staying quiet, skipping after-school clubs, and spending most of his time alone, convinced he didn't belong. Aiden's story might sound familiar to you or someone you know. That feeling of not being enough is what we call an inferiority complex. It happens when we focus too much on our flaws and start believing we're less than others. But just like Aiden, you can work through these feelings.
So yes, let's talk about how it affects you and what you can do to overcome it. Before that, if you feel my videos are helpful, do subscribe to my channel and show your support. An inferiority complex in teens refers to persistent feelings of inadequacy or self-doubt, often leading to low self-esteem. How inferiority complex affects you? This feeling of being less than can really mess with your mind. You might start avoiding challenges like not trying out for a team because you're scared you'll mess up. Or maybe you start worrying so much about what others think that you stop hanging out with people. Over time, this can lead to anxiety, sadness, or even trouble with making decisions. That's why it's super important to deal with these feelings early. How to overcome it? 1. Accept yourself as you are.
You're unique, and that's your superpower.
Instead of thinking, I wish I were like them, remind yourself of what makes you special.
Write down 3 things you like about yourself every day, big or small. It could be something like, I made my friend laugh today, or I'm good at baking. 2. Change negative thoughts. Whenever you catch yourself thinking, I'm not good enough, try flipping it around. For example, instead of saying, I'll never do well in sports, tell yourself, I'm improving every time I practice. It sounds simple, but it works. 3. Set small goals. Big goals can feel scary, so break them down. If you're struggling in a subject, don't aim to ace the whole class right away. Start by learning 1 new topic a day, or doing 5 extra problems. Every little win will boost your confidence. 4. Stop comparing yourself. It's normal to compare, but remember, everyone is good at different things. If your friend is great at math and you're awesome at writing stories, that doesn't mean one is better. 5. Surround yourself with positivity. Spend time with people who make you feel good about yourself. Maybe it's a best friend who always cheers you on, or a teacher who believes in you. Being around positive people helps a lot. 6. Celebrate your efforts. Don't just focus on the results. For example, if you studied hard but didn't get the grade you wanted, remind yourself that you tried. Effort is more important than perfection. 7. Ask for help when you need it. If these feelings are too much to handle, talk to someone, a parent, a teacher, or even a counselor.
Hey, remember, nobody is perfect, and everyone feels insecure sometimes. The key is to believe in yourself and keep trying. You don't have to be the best, you just have to be you. And trust me, you're enough just the way you are.
You're not alone in feeling this way, and there's nothing wrong with you.
Now it's your turn. Take 1 small step today. Whether it's challenging a negative thought, trying something new, or focusing on what makes you special. And if this video helped you, share it with someone who might need to hear this too. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
For more tips on building confidence and navigating life's challenges, let's keep growing together because you're worth